Hey friends, welcome to the second video in my fall collection of videos this year. Today we are doing a simple cottagecore tablescape or centerpiece, and I'm going to go over the things that I got and where I got them from. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video. It helps others find my channel that are like-minded and like to see videos like this. Thank you guys so much and enjoy! For the details on this tablescape, I got the table runner from Target. It was Hearth and Hand, an oversized table runner. And for the candle stands, those are Harp Design Co. I got those in Texas when we were visiting Magnolia and Harp Design Co. The pumpkins and the dried sunflowers are from our garden. I decided to save a lot of dried sunflowers just for the purpose of fall decorating. The woven basket, square basket on the table that's holding everything, that is Threshold from Target. And the white vase with the blue stripe was thrifted from our local thrift store. And the beautiful, which is my favorite actually of this whole thing, the goldenrod garland was also Threshold from Target, and the candles were from Amazon. I know this was really simple and it didn't take me very long to figure out what this was going to be. I saw these colors in particular around and at Target, and I thought how beautiful they would be together, and I wanted to make this centerpiece and I wanted to share it with you guys, of course. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you join me for the rest of this fall, because there's going to be a lot more fall themed videos. We've got more recipes and more decorating and a Halloween cottagecore tour coming up. So I hope you guys are ready for that, and thank you so much for watching this video.